In this video, we're going to go over the marketplace module and how to list on all these different marketplaces. Before you start, you'll need to add the marketplace module from the employee screen to whoever you want to give access to. You'll select the employee, click on the permissions, find the marketplace, assign it to them, and press save. Now they'll have the marketplace ready and they'll be able to proceed. We're going to go ahead and select eBay. The first screen is where we select the products. We can search by simple, advanced, or automotive applications. So we're going to just find any random product. I'm going to go ahead and select the webinar intake manifold. And you can click modify. You can see the handling time, ship out, handling surcharge if you want to add on more money into the price, price increase, and how many you want to sell. Go ahead and click next. Now when you click on a product, you're going to have all the different applications listed here, and it gives you a summary of what you selected on the previous screen. If there's going to be any options on the product, they'll show up under options, such as different colors. For duplication, let's say if you're selling a universal product such as vertical doors, it's a universal product, but maybe you want to list it multiple times, so the duplication would allow you to insert a make and model in each universal product. So this way you would have 1,000 different listings just by using one universal listing using the duplication feature. Since we selected the sheet metal intakes, we don't need a duplication feature here since it's for a specific car make and model, and because there's no options, we just select which ones we want and we're going to go and proceed. This is the template screen. All the yellow highlights will tell you what is required to be entered. So PayPal is entered and the eBay login ID is entered, and you can proceed by pressing next. Some of the other options here is available templates, which is the template that you would save once you fill everything out so you don't have to fill it out again. The different theme is the different color themes that the auction can look like. In the beginning you'll only have the default theme, and later on you would be able to add more. The next feature is the banner on the auction itself. If you click on banner, you can use the website banner, or you can provide a URL where the image would be located. So since I own the website, I want to use my own banner. Press save. What kind of payment methods do we want to use? If we want immediate payment from PayPal, the phone number, if we want to use the gallery, the About Us page. Here is where we're going to enter all the text in addition to all the items such as payment, returns, shipping, contact us, etc. We'll go ahead and save the template if we want to save it for later. I'm going to press no. In your case, you would press yes. So now this is the last step. You would click on the item. The highlighted field says we need to choose a category. You can click on the little magnifying glass, which will take you to eBay, where you will choose the category that you want to list in. We'll select a random one here. Now the title, you may want to modify it. Before we modify it, let's look at these two options. Since we have a vehicle-specific application, we can place the vehicle keyword at the end or in the beginning. So since we have webinar sheet metal, but there was 3 applications previously that were selected, those 3 applications, vehicle, make, and model, and year, will be entered somewhere in the title. So this is where you can specify if you want to put it in the end or in the beginning of the title. You can obviously put the subtitle in if you like, the main image URL, which will display in the gallery, the listing type if it's an auction or fixed price, if you have an internal store category, and the duration of how long the auction is going to be listed for. Now if you want to optimize the title, such as put in more keywords than we have here, you can click suggest and click for search these particular keywords to see what else we can possibly enter into our title. So here we have a bunch of keywords and the relevancy. So here it says that we can put in the term headers and accessories and turbo, which has relevancy to what we entered in the title. and obviously since those keywords are missing, we may want to enter those in. This is what the auction would look like once you complete it and list it onto eBay. So once you're done, press finish, save it somewhere on your desktop, and you're complete with it. The last thing to do is open eBay's TurboLister. You can download it from the tutorials. Once you open the TurboLister and you have the file ready on your desktop, you would go to File, Import Items, from File, and you would select the file that you completed, double click on it, press Import, and the listing will be imported. Now all you need to do is just press Add to Upload and list it on eBay. Once you've listed it on eBay, this is exactly what it would look like. It would look identical to your product page, even though the ad is now located on eBay. This will give you credibility if you make an eBay strategy with your website. We recommend watching the tutorial 15.1 to see all the different strategies that you can use when selling on eBay and other marketplaces.